Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about SAP script. So I will make very less videos about SAP script, but this is something I was kind of stuck for a few while, and since I had a fear about SAP scripts. I wanted to get rid of the fear, and I kept it aside for a long time, but I thought that's wrong. It's wrong actually to keep it aside. Hence I wanted to talk to you guys about this. I guess, and I predict that very less people will face this, but if you face this for you. I'm just creating it and keeping it here. Any kind of SAP script editors, including the smartphone ones, are also supposed to face this problem, but I'll keep this for reference. You can use this for any of the cases happened like this. So the way is, I'll talk about the problem first. When you print a document, when you print a script and maybe a form, I don't know what the form case, it might be a different scenario, but the message will be same. The message is TD423. This is something you will find very less documents on, and it's updated. That means you will just get a pop-up, and you will debug, you will get that same message just coming as a abort. So you'll be thinking like, what happened exactly? I was also not clear. I was technically debugging and going back and tracing back to the end in the standard part. But that's tidy. That's a work that you don't wish to do it anytime. So searching for Google, I didn't see much. It's all waste crap here. It's not usable information. So they didn't use exact words to make it easier lucid. They made it complex by explaining different scenarios. So now let's talk about the problem. What exactly happens when this message comes up? The one you can see on the screen, the one you can see now on the screen, and the one you will be able to see now on the screen are all same. Theoretically all same. It does the same thing. It happens with the same case. And the problem is, you have a page. In SAP script terms, it starts with a open, then write, then close. Open form, write form, close form. This is a sequence, standard sequence. You miss any one of them and go to the next page, this problem occurs. I missed close form and the text went to the next page, this updated occurs. Actually, if you bypass this, it doesn't make any difference. It doesn't make you trouble. You can get the printouts all the way. But the problem is, this abort will stop printing if you don't bypass it. So theoretically, if your text, your assumed text is longer than the page, you need to use that separately. You have to handle that separately. Check out the text you have used in your SAP script and check out the text size of it. Does it go to the next page? If it is, concat it. If it is, you have to use it differently, split it. See the printouts, compare it. If it's crossing and going to the next page, reduce it, or maybe reduce the font size. In our case, we changed the text and it worked. The dump was not coming up, and this is irritating. Dump, it will waste a lot of your time since I feared it at least. So that's why I wanted to share with you, as this channel is what I should say, it's a reference. It's a reference to the problem I faced. That anyone else faces this, comes to this channel, gets an immediate solution. I don't want to get stuck because time is going up. Git is coming to ABAP repositories, so it's one-time code, multi-time use scenarios coming up to our way. We see a bright future here. So that's for today. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. If you like a video, please do subscribe and like our videos, and you can share with your friends who are coders and who are not. Thank you.